Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a kind and gentle girl named Cinderella. She lived with her wicked stepmother and two stepsisters, who made her do all the chores while they enjoyed a life of leisure. One day, the prince announced a grand ball, inviting all the maidens in the kingdom. Cinderella's stepmother forbade her from going, but her fairy godmother appeared, transforming a pumpkin into a dazzling carriage and her rags into a beautiful gown. With a wave of her wand, she also created glass slippers and warned Cinderella to return before midnight, as the magic would fade. At the ball, Cinderella captivated everyone, especially the prince. They danced all night, but as the clock struck midnight, she hurried away, leaving behind one glass slipper. The next day, the prince searched the kingdom for the girl who fit the slipper. When he arrived at Cinderella's home, her stepsisters tried in vain to squeeze their feet into the delicate shoe. But when Cinderella tried, it fit perfectly. The prince recognized her as his mysterious partner from the ball, and they soon married, living happily ever after, while Cinderella's kindness and grace brought joy to the entire kingdom.